All of us everywhere, we are affected by climate change. Giyani in particular, we know that it's a dry place. And when that happens, it means that our taps run dry, our rivers run dry, and ultimately people who get affected is us as communities. We do not have sufficient water, whether for drinking, whether for productive use. And we are grateful that the government of Flanders, the Water Research Commission, Award and Zugang came together to make sure that they roll out a program like this.
On behalf of the people of Mopani, we are very grateful for this 3-year intervention, collaborative work from diverse stakeholders, and the funding that has given roots to the project implementation on the Giyani Climate Resilient Program. Today, we handed over the completed project. Our communities of Muyepu, Matsetsosela, Mbedle, and the cooperatives in the agricultural sector have benefited a lot from this. They will be able to ensure that from a food security point of view, they are able to produce, and as government at the local level, we should be able to support them to access the market, their produce, but also the fact that the council has adopted the climate resilient response strategy, which at the core of it is to work with vulnerable communities to adapt to excessive harmful conditions. So currently our people will be benefiting from the water infrastructure which is there, from the energy that which is there, so that they are able to secure the food at that time. So we are very grateful that we are going to work together to support them so that they can able to sustain the diverse and very adverse conditions.
Our role in the project was just to create an enabling environment, but also to strengthen that enabling environment, where you find local municipalities, local institutions, local authorities such as the traditional authorities. So that involved us working together, formulating relationship, creating agreements between ourselves as a project and the local and district municipalities. That involved signing of a memorandum of understandings, and we continue to do that working with the Office of the Premier of Limpopo, making sure that this project aligns with the 8 priority research projects of the province. So that has been one of our key focus, and we've managed to do that. And as the project is coming to an end, we've handed over these assets, but we also have handed over the institutional and also the knowledge into the institutions, so that this work continues and gets replicated to other local municipalities. We're looking forward to more of these programs going forward and continuing our work with the district, local municipality, but also with the community. Thank you.
Attention towards climate change, not anymore change unfortunately, but climate adaptation is of super importance also for us from the Flemish point of view, for the Flemish government. And that's why we actually embarked on this program with a clear focus on the water issues which are present also in this area, in this region of South Africa. I was pleasantly surprised by the involvement of the University of the University of Western Cape, right? So I think that is actually a good thing to involve the academia, the academic world in this kind of projects, because we can definitely create added value. And secondly, also the role of the NGO, which works specifically with the local communities, that they go into the field to talk to people, to talk to businesses about water education, because this is a problem that we all have to deal with, and it's not gonna it's not going to get better soon. On the contrary, it's going to be worse with the climate crisis we all are going through. So we need to work more on how to work with what we have. And water is scarce. So we need to find a good way to deal with it.